People adapt really fast. Problems come and go, and even if we don't have working tap at the moment, it doesn't really affect our mood or anything. We are still here enjoying.
We are in the ancient bridge of Aziz, and these old European bridges are stunning, and even they are kind of high and steep, they are not scary at all. They are so well built. I don't feel any vertigo. And when the sun shines, the river water looks so clear and turquoise color, like emerald green. No, it's not working.
So seems like our pump has gone out of action. It doesn't run at all. So we need to check what is the problem. Is it the pump, or is it the wiring, or something else? Full water tank, and I'm just cleaned my hands so I can put it in the water tank. Oh, cold water. Not electrical problem, but pump problem. So this time the pump lasted approximately 12,000 liters. So we have to check which website sells them and buy a new pump. Until then,
we have to use our onboard carry water, and because we are not the pocket next to the water faucet, we are going to take our drinking water from the tank and put it here. I don't know how we do it, but I guess Joni has some ideas, maybe.
Yeah, just use glass and pour it the tank.
Yeah.
That is my plan.
We are not going to drive away from this gorgeous spot.
No, one pump failure, why should we?
Yeah, it's beautiful day, beautiful place, so as long as we have some drinking water left, we are good in here. And we can go bathe in the river.
Now 20 liters of drinking water in a jug, and it should live here now.
It leaks.
It leaks. My little shoes are full of water.
So, our water pump in our water tank stopped working, and then we did discover there's this garden-like smell coming out of our composting toilet. So the fan in our composting toilet stopped working too, because we replaced this separating toilet, our cassette toilet that had the valve and flushing button. So they are connected in that wire in the same water pump. Little update. The pump is on, and now our toilet is fresh and clean and not smelly at all. I don't know why it's always me that does these poop related videos. Yeah. Sky is turning kind of black. Doomsday clouds coming, so we will go and have a little walk until it starts to rain.
Yeah, it's time to go swimming.
Best time of the day, and we absolutely love these kind of rural spots because nobody else is here, so we absolutely love being here.
And peeing here.
That's true also. It's such a good feeling when you can go outside to pee and look at the stars above the sky.
Ostiks mä ranskalaisia?
Ei, se on kato.
Oh yeah.
Mut meillä on niitä.
It happens very often when we go to grocery store. I just stare something that I want and I don't take it. Or we just talk with each other that we need to buy something
And then we are, yes, definitely, good thing that you remember it. And then we both walk away from the aisle.
And don't buy it.
It happens all the time. We are so good.
But this is what our
gyros
looks like.
Pita gyros.
Not conventional, but something that we like.
Not traditional.
Not traditional.
But something that we like, yes. Avocado lives in a pita bread.
This feels normal, and I think like 60% of the motorhome owners do not use their water tanks to drinking water, so this is quite normal to quite many people, also to us. When we lived in a van in Finland, we couldn't use our water system, so we used water jugs. Yeah, it wasn't water jugs over there, it was actually conveniently just above our sink, and people adapt really fast. Problems come and go, and even if we don't have working tap at the moment, it doesn't really affect our mood or anything. We are still here enjoying same place. Gonna actually pour some coffee and tea for Sarah, and have snack croissant. Greek people love their 80 cents per piece croissants, seems like it, or cookies a lot. So this time I'm gonna try the hazelnut filling because it got a lot of more hazelnuts than any other croissants. Water is boiling, so we can get hot drinks in a moment. In Greece the water is quite hard, so you need to grind your coffee quite fine, but also you need to pour it fast. So it needs to be around 3.5 minutes or maximum 4 minutes. Otherwise you get bitter coffee. So usually I just pre-brew the grounds first and then put the whole cone full of water, and it will filter in 3.5 minutes, which is the perfect time. Here's your tea, Highness.
Thank you, Johnny. Unfortunately, I cannot drink coffee during the evening because too much caffeine, and I'm sensitive like that. Yeah, I'm watching YouTube videos. Oops, our own video because I'm narcissistic like that. I have cozy settings here in my bed section, green lights, setting the mood, green color of the money, and I can see the beautiful nature there. An ancient bridge from our bedroom, and enjoy my hot tea here. Perfect rainy day setup.
And this is a routine of us. Every morning go for a walk, and Sarah's backpack will tell you why we are walking here. Yeah, that's our poop pack. So we usually poop in the forest when we are middle of nowhere, not in a camp, not near in the camp, but somewhere else. Yeah, and dig hole enough deep that nobody will find our poop.
Away from water source.
Yes, not in the river, in the forest there. And baby deer has slept there. Oh, so small. No. Deers are pretty small in this area, I don't know why. They are like half the size of deers in Finland. Yeah, we have seen a lot of them inside of the roads and on the fields. These are empty fields. I think 20 fields around this area. They are not used anymore. So if we would move here, they would come back to use. At least little area, maybe 40 to 20 meter area. Our potatoes and things growing. And we scout always the surrounding areas for better boondocking place. I think this would be okay. There's a okay path coming here down here, and this is stiff, and it's not gonna be raining for weeks, so we don't have to worry about river expanding. Beautiful rivers, pristine beautiful rivers, like you are in Lapland. That is the only place you can see this beautiful rivers in Finland. Yeah. So pure nature in Greece. We could live here. We always say in Greece, wherever we go, we could live here.